In this video today guys, I'll be sharing with you step by step how you can open a US bank account on MyGuava. So I'm going to head over to my laptop now, and just to get started, just hit the link in the description of this video. On this website, select get a free account, open the App Store or the Play Store, then select get the app. So in Android it will be a little bit different, so you'll see the equivalent. Once the app is downloaded, select open, select create new account. Once you scroll down, you'll see a list of countries that is supported. So from the list, select your country, enter your phone number, and then select next once it's completed. Enter the code that was sent to your phone to verify your phone number. Enter the code and select verify. Provide your email address, then select next. Enter the code which was sent to your email. Then select verify. Create a passcode. Confirm the passcode. Do you want to use MyGuava to use Face ID? You can choose to allow it or do not allow. Enter your passcode. Select your gender. Enter your first name, your surname, your date of birth, and nationality. Then select next. Here, provide your residential information. Enter your ID number. Once you enter all the information, select next. Specify your occupation, the purpose of opening your account, and your estimated monthly turnover. Once you provide that information, select next. Now you need to verify your identity by selecting verify. Select which best applies to you, then select agree and continue. So you're going to be expected to take a photo of your ID document and a selfie of yourself. So select next. Here, select your document type. So here I'm just going to take a picture of the front of my ID. Select document is readable or retake photo. Take the back of your ID. Select document is readable or retake photo. So your account will be verified, and once it is verified, then you'll receive an email to let you know that it is completed. And that's basically it. So here they're now asking me for proof of address. So select proof of address. I recommend that you upload a PDF rather than taking a picture, right? So select the little photo icon here and then select upload a PDF. Once the document is uploaded, select document is readable. Say now they're verifying my account again. So my account has been successfully registered. Now just select get started. Enter your passcode, and that's it. You have successfully opened your account. So this portion of the video was done at a later date when I actually did a top up to my account, right? So my default account was a Canadian account. That's because I'm in Canada. Now to open a US account, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select open account. Here I'm just going to select US dollars account, enter your PIN, and here I'm just going to select close. Now you can see that I have a US bank account. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.